What's up, y'all? I'm back. So wait, first I just got off work and my hair is not done. It is like almost 11:45 at night, so I look a little rough. The hat is giving bad hair day. But anyways, I ordered a projector for my room, so I want to show y'all what that looks like and what that's like. So the goal is to project onto this wall. So at first my bed was on this wall and this dresser is where the bed is at. So I switched some things around. Y'all like my pictures? So cute. So yeah, I switched some things around because I got a projector. Okay, y'all, we're gonna get into what this video is really about, which is the projector that I have been wanting for my room. I am gonna put details here somewhere so y'all can see exactly what projector I got, but I ordered this from Walmart. It's like, I think it's like some type of Roku projector, so you can still like stream with it. Because me personally, I don't have cable, I just do streaming apps, and I don't have a TV in my room because I mostly watch stuff on my iPad, and everybody always be like,
yeah, why you always watching stuff on your iPad? Like, where's the TV?
So instead of getting a TV, I decided to get a projector to give like a more cinema vibe, you know? And anyways, All the Queen's Men is back out, a new season, so we need the projector so we can have a big picture, okay? So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so this is from Walmart. Paper. Okay, here it is. This is how it looks coming out of the box. This is the RCA Smart HD Home Theater Projector. HD 720p. What does that mean? I don't know. And yes, see that? Roku Express. So yeah, stream all free TV, live news, sports, movies, music, and more. So yes, if you have streaming apps already, get you one of these. But we gotta figure out how to hook this up. So we finna learn together. All right, let's open it. My sister has the same one, so I know that it comes with like some stuff. So we got the cord here. Let's see, y'all can't even see what I'm doing. Hold on. Okay, so it comes with batteries, maybe for the remote or something. Oh yeah, here go the remote. Charger, 2 remotes. I guess one is a remote for the actual projector, and then this is the Roku remote. All right, and then bam. That's all. Here's the actual projector. It's not even that big. And then came with some instructions. Okay, so alright. Take it out the plastic. Rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. Bye. Just joking. Okay. We're about to figure this out tonight. So it's not that many pieces. Batteries are for the remote, obviously, right? Or not? Right. Okay. So I guess you can project onto a shade or, you know, like a projector screen But me, I'm gonna just project onto my wall since I have like that open area, and it's a neutral background, which is just white. So how disrespectful. So they sent 2 remotes. Wait, hold on. Yes, both of these remotes need batteries, but they send 1 pair of batteries? Bruh, like, why y'all ain't sent 2 pairs of batteries? Well, I guess since it's a charger for the actual projector, and it comes with like a little control panel on the actual projector. I guess this is like a touch situation. We can go ahead and put the batteries in the Roku remote for now so that we can actually change the channel, right? Right. Or not change the channel, y'all know what I'm talking about. Why is it not going on there? Bro. Oh, did I break it? Should it be this hard? Should it be this hard? Okay, so now we have to figure out how to get the projector to project onto said wall. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, I have already powered the projector on, so we have to, oh. All right, so you're just supposed to screw this off, and look at that. All right, it's here. It's here. So now we just got to focus a little bit because it looks unfocused, right? Okay, so let's see. There we go. And you can tilt it and it's focused. So I think if you move it back, can y'all see? Okay. If you move it back more, then the picture will get bigger. You see? But once we figure out how to get the streaming apps up, we'll place it somewhere and then y'all will get the better picture. Okay, so for right now, it's sitting here because I'm trying to figure out how to get the apps on here. So let's see. Okay, so I'm literally just using this control panel, and let's go to, I don't know, let's click on Roku. No, I said Roku. Yes. Okay. All right. Y'all don't need to know my Wi-Fi password, so get out of my business for 2 seconds. Hold on. All right, I connected, and the Roku projector has the nerve to be updating like it did just come out of the box. Why is it not already updated? Anybody else got this projector? Let me know if it did the same thing. Please wait. Okay, still updating. And if it sounds kind of loud, it's because literally like we're right next to it, because this is the setup. Okay. Ooh. Okay. All right. So the update is done. Just gonna hit continue. Continue. What's the brand? I mean, this is not a TV. This is a freaking projector. Here, let's just put... I'm so blind. Okay, we're gonna just say RCA. Okay. Please point your Roku. Okay. Yes. Alright, so this is us setting up the remote. I guess we gotta connect the projector and the remote with the Wi-Fi and all that. Alright. Yes, we still hear the music. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Okay. The setup is real. Okay, hold on. Let me put in my email address. Okay, so after I put in my email, it's gonna send an activation link that I guess you can open for only 30 minutes. So once you do that, then let's see. I'm in my email and I'm gonna hit the email that I got to activate. Once you hit the activation button in the email, it's saying name your device. Okay. Which room? Bedroom. Continue. Once you activate it, it's gonna ask, do you pay for cable or satellite TV? So the answer is no, because I don't pay for cable. Do you currently subscribe to any of these services? Yes. You just click all of the streaming apps that you have. Hit continue. Select your interest to help build your channel lineup. Okay. We like free 99. Movies, kids and family. I like food and home. Reality. Yes, yes, yes. News, comedy, everything. Everything. Give me everything. Okay. Okay, it's asking me if I want to add more channels. At this time, I'm just going to skip that part and hit continue. Okay. Now it's updating the channels. Y'all see? Updating the channels. Okay, now it's saying all done. Let's go to the next screen. And look, all streaming apps are there. Y'all look, it looks so nice. So right now, let me sit y'all here. Right now I have my projector at the end of the bed for setting up purposes. But I just have to find a place to actually sit the projector. Because if I move it back, you can see the picture gets bigger and you can always focus it like so. Hold on, right now it's getting more fuzzy and then you see it's getting more clear, but it just looks far away. But it's a really good picture. Now this is how it looks projected on the wall. But if you want to project it on a screen, my shade, my window shade. Look, I could do that too. So that's the shade versus the wall. Okay, so you pick, you decide. I just have to find a place to sit my projector. but it's nice, and it's gonna be nice once the lights are down. Okay, y'all, so I kind of set my projector up on my shelf here. I had to move my shelf a little bit too. We still getting some stuff together in here, but I had a nightstand here, but I just moved it because I'm just trying to figure out a good placement for my projector. So for right now, I have this marble shelf with all my little girly stuff. Look at my picture, so cute. All my little girly stuff here. And I just set the projector at the top, and that's how it looks on the wall. So I think I'm just probably gonna get me another stand or something so that the projection can be more centered, but this works for now. And yeah, you just sign into all your streaming apps and it's a go. So it seems like the projector, like, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's not that loud. Like, you can hear the fan, but it's not like distracting or like obnoxiously loud, but you can hear that it's on. The picture looks good to me. You can see from here. I just have to like move. I have to get something that's more centered, but I got my pictures up here, and like I can't sit it up there, like it's gonna fall and cluck me in the head, and then I'm gonna be in danger. So for right now, it's like that. I feel like that's a good view from the bed. But we gonna see what the picture is like once I start watching my shows. But y'all, this is how it looks once you turn it on, and I think it's good. I think it's a good fit because I don't want no big old TV, like it's just gonna collect dust. I don't know why. I feel like I will get more use out of this projector. And I'm gonna come back to y'all once I do something with my little vanity over there. But for now, this is gonna work. Thank y'all for watching another video. I'm about to log into my apps and watch my shows, and I will see y'all in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this type of content. Let me know what else y'all want to see. I got some more videos coming for y'all soon because I got a lot planned, and about to get in the shower because I just got off work. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.